Hey everybody, welcome to today's little project on Brunkin doors. I have unironically bought this VEVOR string trimmer 6-in-1 combo. It's supposed to be a 52cc, and from what I can tell, this is based off the Mana model that appears to be one of the clones of the old Komatsu two-stroke engines from early 2000s. So it should be a pretty decent string trimmer. I need a brush cutter for our homestead project and a better string trimmer to round it up here. I've got a lot of stuff that's popping up that I need to get cut down. Need to maintain this property better. And we got the homestead project, got the sandy farm. That I definitely need to get working on. Purpose of getting this is to help do property management, land management, get clearing out our homestead project on the family farm. So I got this in the mail yesterday. I did buy this from the TikTok shop. It had a discount, a coupon code that made it a little bit cheaper. It was about 168 bucks, 170 bucks, something like that. I got it pretty quick within a couple days. So I've never used the TikTok shop to buy anything. My first purchase off of the TikTok shop, and I just happened to use some discount codes I had. It just happened to be a good price on there for Amazon. I was just looking at it. And I cut the box open just so I get it here, but I have not gone through it at all. I don't know for sure what attachments are in here. You know, it's supposed to have a string trimmer attachment, brush cutters, a hole saw, a trimmer for the hedges, and I believe it's supposed to have an edger trimmer in there as well. I said I don't know for sure what exactly attachments are in this one, so I'm gonna bust this open and see what all we got here. So our first box is sitting on top of it. There's this little box of accessories here. Like I said, I just cut the tape on these to get out here. And you go. It looks like we got a handle. We got a premix jug. It's gonna be helpful. We got a funnel. We got some lovely, I believe these are supposed to be cup resistant gloves. But nice little gloves there. We got our manual for our gas catcher in there. All right, this is another kind of handle, or the other side of the handle looks like. All right, you see we got the brush cutter blade. Attachment for touch brush. That is going to be helpful at the farm. All right. Well, your green trimmer. Very good. Very good. Little spirit. Easy to use. So we got a toolkit here, and maybe the straps. Hey, got this for that box. Alright, so here looks like we got a toolkit. Yep, that is what we got. Kind of rubber grommet. Parts of pieces. High quality. Manufacturing. Speaking of Chinese manufacturing, I believe this is a Chinese manufactured part. From what I understand, the Komatsu engine that this is based off of was discontinued or disused by Husqvarna in the early 2000s, late 2010, somewhere around there, 2006 or something like that. I can't remember exactly, but this engine style is based off of a Komatsu engine, from what I understand. And it goes the popular trick for one thing for commercial use. All right. We do have a strap, a holder, harness for it. Not sure how that's going to fit on all this. But I guess we'll find out. Got another box in here. Okay. Oh, very good, very good. This is what I was concerned about. I did not know. I didn't know if there was an actual edger attachment in here. And there is. So that's good. I do need an edger. I don't want an edger, but I do need an edger. because the city has put in a sidewalk along our property. But I help out the neighbor behind by trying to help her keep her property maintained a bit. And so I've got a sidewalk that goes the whole city block along this fence here that I maintain between my property and the neighbor. Having a hedger is really going to help that sidewalk line. All right, looks like we do have one of the attachments here. And I believe this is the brush cutter attachment. Okay. That's solid. Just got this out of the package. We have some wear. Keeps scratching and scuffing. I don't know. This doesn't look like it's been used. Looks like that's probably just some manufacturing scratching. Again, high quality Chinese production. But I'm hoping they ripped it off well enough to at least get a decent product out of this. Main reason I went with this one is the price and the functionality. I have used I have multiple other VEVOR products. From what I understand, VEVOR uses the same Chinese manufacturing catalogs as you can find it on Temu or Alibaba or Wish or any of those sites. VEVOR has the same product. Usually they are clones of popular products that are sold in America or European countries. They're normally clones of some decent products. Some of them they clone well. Some of them not so well. I'm hoping this will come in handy for, bushes like that, but also out of this property we've got a lot of wild grassland that's returned back to nature though. But we like to retain and put more steady. I've got some more scratching and stuffing on this. I think they're just tossed around in the factory. I plan to eventually sell this property here in town. We've used the money and we make it selling this property, build a bargain maker. So there we got it. This is our VEVOR 6-in-1 similar piece set. We've got our hedge trimmer. We've got our brush cutter attachment that goes with this plate here. Also, stringer attachment can go on this thing out here. We got our main engine module here, the main shaft. We've got an extension pole. We've got a ledger attachment. We got a trimmer guard that we need to put on there. We got a pre-mix jug. We got that brush blade. We got the shoulder strap, the funnel, handle attachments. We got a book. We got some tools and some gloves. So I think this is going to be a good product for us for what we need. Let me check to make sure. This is supposed to be the 52cc version. You know what? Glad I did that. So it's supposed to be a 52cc. You look right on here, we got 25.4cc. Looks like a 26cc version. Alright, what we ordered was supposed to be a 52cc. Alright, we are going to be getting back with the company here to see why we got a 26cc when we're supposed to have a 52cc. See what went wrong here. So luckily we did this unboxing on video. That's going to help out. We've got scratching on these old 26cc. It's supposed to be a 52cc. We're in contact